Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have some food items to share with you and just a few other little random things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree today. First we're going to do food. So I have a pack of the 3 Musketeer Minis, and these are from the brand Snaps, and they're broccoli and cheese bites. I have never been able to find these, but broccoli and cheese bites, if you've never had them from anywhere, they're usually delicious, and I've never been able to find them in a store like that, so I saw them at Dollar Tree and I picked up 2 boxes of those. They were sold out of the cheese frozen ravioli at Walmart, and today I found 13-ounce bags for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 of the cheese raviolis for an upcoming recipe video. I picked up some of the Cobblestone Bread, and this is the white sub rolls, and I don't need these right now, but for $1 you can't beat it, and I'm going to freeze these. Same with these, don't need these right now, but it's a really good deal for $1, 12 bunny hamburger buns from the name brand as well. I mean, they are so soft as well. They have good dates on them, and I'm just going to freeze those. I did pick up a Kingsford lemon pepper seasoning, and I bought a sea salt grinder and a pepper grinder. So that is my food items. And here are the rest of the items. I found just a few fun items to share with you. This is a repurchase, so I'm going to show it first. I always buy these cushion paddle brushes from there, and mine recently broke, so it's worth $1. Lasts a long time actually. So I picked up another one of those. I always pick up candles. I picked up one sweet cherries. This smells really good. Very cute packaging because they're in these cute little jars, and I think those make great gifts. And then moving on, I found this as a stocking stuffer, and I'm not even going to say out loud what this is because someone would probably go berserk for it, but stocking stuffer, and I thought it was super cute. And also found this to throw in there. They had a ton of these to choose from. And Connor also got some poo goo. This is like a brown colored putty slime stuff. And then in the stationery aisle, I picked up a few things. I picked up this spiral notebook. I didn't really need this notebook, but it's so cute, from the Drop brand. 180 sheets. And this is one of their small notebooks, but it's college rolled paper. And to write reviews, write requests, and recipes and things like that, because I'm always making notes and lists. This is going to be perfect for that, and I just love this out. It's so country, and yeah, I happen to live in the country, so that is so rustic. I love it. Stationery aisle, I found these Pro Marks. These are water-based gel ink, and they're gel pens, and that is what they look like. All the different pretty colored ink, and they're shimmery. And then everyone had been hauling these forever, and this is the first time seeing any kind of ring holder, jewelry holder at my Dollar Tree. So they had a mermaid and they had a pineapple, and me and Connor agreed we need the pineapple. It's cute. I like mermaids, but I like the pineapples better, and it's like that chameleon-y kind of effect going on, and I just love this. It's so adorable. And then the last 2 items are brand new from the LA Colors brand, and there was 4 of these to choose from. There was a berry, pineapple, peach, and strawberry. They also had some new lip balms. I'm not interested in lip balms, but I was intrigued by these body mists though. The Fruity Body Mist from LA Colors. And this is the strawberry one. Shimmers in there as well, so I'm excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys want reviews. And I also got peach. So that is all I got from the Dollar Tree, but I'm really excited to try those out. So I had to run back to the Dollar Tree today, the very next day, so I'm just going to tack it on to the end of this video here. So instead of making it a haul of itself, it's like 9 items. So I got some bath tissue because I only had one roll of toilet paper. So yes, and then I actually needed dog food, so Purina dog chow and the Alpo Prime cuts just to mix together and give it to the dogs until I go to Walmart or the Dollar General to get a big bag of dog food that they eat. And I thought, why not go back to the Dollar Tree the next day just to see if they put anything else out. So yeah, that's what we did. And I actually needed foil that I forgot the other day, so I picked up foil and some storage bags of the quart size, and they didn't have the Good Scent zipper seals, so I took the Glad brand, and there's 16 in here, so I just get 2 less bags, so really not a bad deal, and they're Glad. So then they actually did have some new items, and I've seen the mermaid unicorny type deal brushes there prior, but I didn't see this one, and it's a powder brush, it says, but it's honestly, it's a little small for it to be a powder brush. I thought this would work perfect for contour or highlighting, and I'm going to use it for highlighting, even blush, really. You don't want like a lot of blush. So very cute. And then they did not have these yesterday. I would have most definitely have seen them. Now, in the past, I'm not the biggest fan of LA Colors mascaras, really not. There was one, the Eye Density one, that I really loved, but a lot of times I don't like these. But I did pick up, there was also another one, I think it was a volumizing one, and maybe one other one, and I just didn't get those. I didn't like the one. I got the cat eye one because it's very similar to a Maybelline mascara that I like a lot. So I did get the LA Colors Dramatic Lash Cat Eye Mascara. These are both in black. And the Dramatic Lash Lift and Define. And we're going to test these out, see if they work, possibly do a review. And yeah, that's literally all the Dollar Tree items that I picked up. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul.